Okay, so we're going to start by applying orange acrylic paint to the wooden pumpkins. Okay, so next you're going to take your green acrylic paint and you're going to apply it to the stem of the pumpkin. Okay, so this is optional, but I decided to use bronze paint around my pumpkin. So what you're going to do is you're going to dip a paint sponge or a stamp sponge onto the bronze paint and you're going to gently dab around the front of each of your pumpkins. Okay, so now it's time to attach your foliage to the pumpkins. So you're going to use floral cutters or wire cutters, and you're going to cut strands of your gold wire. After doing that, you're going to attach them to the top section of your foliage. You're going to wrap it around until it's secure. And then after doing that, you're going to take the end of the wire and pull it through the hole on the stem on the wooden pumpkin. Once you have pulled the wire through the hole, you're going to twist the wire around the wooden stem to secure the foliage in place. Okay, so this next step is optional. If you're wanting to add twine bows, you're going to take some twine and wrap it around your hand a few times. Once you have done that, you're going to cut the end of the twine and pinch the center of the looped twine that's around your hand. Once you have done that, you're going to tie it off with a small strand of twine, and that is how you'll create your bow. And then after creating the bow, we're going to attach it using hot glue. We're going to attach it to each of the pumpkins. Okay, so now you're ready to create a stand for your pumpkins. So I'm just using a small square block that I purchased from my local Dollar Tree. You're just going to apply a small amount of hot glue onto each of your square blocks, and you're going to attach it onto the bottom edge of each pumpkin. This is going to help your pumpkin stand upright when it is displayed on a table. Okay, so all that's left is to personalize your pumpkins by writing the name on each of them. So you're going to use a paint marker and you're going to write out a name on each of your pumpkins. Thank you all so much for coming along and creating with me. I'll see you soon.